Can we do it then?
Today's farming demands precision, safety, and efficiency. And this is where Garuda Agri Drones are making a real difference. Garuda Agri Drones are designed to improve crop yield through accurate and uniform spraying of pesticides, fertilizers, and nutrients. Using advanced flight control systems and GPS-assisted navigation, the drone ensures consistent coverage across the field, eliminating overspraying and underspraying. With high payload capacity, intelligent spray nozzles, and optimized flight paths, these drones can cover multiple acres in a short time, even on uneven terrain or hard-to-access areas. This precision directly supports healthier crops and better growth. Safety is a major advantage. Drone-based spraying removes the need for farmers to manually enter fields during chemical application, significantly reducing exposure to harmful substances and improving on-field safety. From a cost efficiency perspective, Garuda Agri Drones reduce labor dependency, minimize water consumption, and cut chemical wastage. Faster operations mean lower operational costs per acre and higher productivity. Whether used for row crops, plantations, or large farmlands, Garuda Agri Drones adapt to diverse agricultural needs with reliable performance. By combining technology, precision, and farmer-focused design, Garuda Aerospace is helping farmers achieve higher yields, safer practices, and smarter farming outcomes.